You guys can see that. I'll be lubing it using just a brush. And I'm also going to be doing so without taking apart the keyboard. Meaning I'm not going to be desoldering it or anything. I'm just going to take off the keycaps and lube the switches from the top. Let me show you guys how to do that, or how I do that. And I also want to do a quick sound test of what it sounds like unlubed. So to give a fair analysis of what the switches sound like on my microphone, this is going to be the sound of my mouse. This is the MX Master by Logitech. Left clicking. Turn it back on. Alright, so this is my And Pro in white, and the switches underneath are Cherry MX Browns. I'm also, keep note that I'm only going to be lubing the space bar just for my own sake too, because this is my first time lubing. And I want to see if it makes a difference, and if it sounds good, I'm probably going to go ahead and lube all the switches. But yeah, this is what it sounds like a little bit closer. Let's see. Maybe you guys want to see the little BMO keycap. Alright, put this to the side. Then this is my Varmilo Pro Panda, and this is using clicky switches, which are the Cherry MX Blues. Alright, so let's take apart the spacebar. So you can see that these are in fact the Cherry Browns. It's my And Pro Mini. And this is Cherry MX Blues. So that's what it sounds like without keycaps. Yeah, I'm getting ready to lube it, and basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pressing the switch down. So you're going to press it down, and then as you press it down, it gives you a gap inside the switch. And then you're just going to brush it ever so gently with the brush. And this obviously is my first time lubing, so I'm going to put as minimal as possible, and if I feel like it needs more, then I'll just go ahead and add more. But since it's my first time, I don't want to over lube it. So I'm going to start with, I don't know if it'll pick it up, but I'm going to start with a small amount. You want to be careful too that the bristles of the brush, that they don't get stuck inside the switch. So I'm following this from a different YouTube guide that I found online. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. I feel like I said I was gonna put a minimum amount, but I feel like I'm putting more than I need to. Hopefully it turns out okay. Alright, let's see. I'll do a little test sound right here. Oh my goodness. I can hear the difference right away. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Honestly, that is insane. Like, as a first time reaction to having any keyboard lube, like, this is actually pretty crazy. Like, wow. Satisfying too. Alright, I can honestly tell you at this rate, I'm gonna end up lubing all the switches. But yeah, leave a comment anyway if you have any questions or if you have anything you want to see me do. Oh wow. I feel like this keyboard is nicer to lube because it's black. I can see the lube. I can see the lube better. So like I can see like how much I'm spreading more. Yeah, I mean, this might be a little tedious, but I mean, it beats desoldering it, right? So like, I would rather do this than desolder and try switching them all, or I mean, lubing them all. Alright. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub everywhere, make sure that it's all kind of even. If you guys are wondering what brush I'm using, it's a brush from Divinikey. Alright. Let us see what the outcome of the cherry blues are like. Wow, I think I've found like, what do you call it? A new addiction? I mean, it's crazy because this keyboard is generally like loud anyway, because it's a clicky board or clicky switch. But I will say a little bit of the rattle is gone. I think maybe I should have added a little bit more lube. But I think for the And Pro, I think that keyboard turned out better than this one. Alright, personally I think I need more lube, so I'm gonna crack it open. I'm using that because it's good online. Just, you know, just use that as well. Alright, let's see how it turned out. Hopefully I didn't over lube it. Oh my god, it's actually better. Yeah, I guess I did under lube it. But significantly less rattle. I don't know if the mic is picking it up, but you get that less of high pitch plastic on plastic kind of noise. Like, definitely doesn't peak as high. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.